Hey guys, so I am out here in Temecula, California. It's just outside of San Diego, touring a property today with Victoria, who's a realtor out here. I met her through Instagram and helped her, and she's got her first one, and now we're out and we're gonna go inside this unique property and show it to you guys. The domes are popular where, Victoria?
Joshua Tree.
Oh, Joshua Tree, okay.
Yeah, you'll see a bunch out there.
So a lot of tile in here. Built like the 70s or 80s tile. How big is this one?
This one's 1,500 square feet. So it's 3 bed, 2 bath. So personally, what I think would be your biggest focal and selling point in this is you can really, I mean, if you wanted to get into the events hosting space, you know, you have a huge opportunity to do that.
It's just a unique space, right? Check out these windows.
This house is all electric too.
Okay.
Rare, but it's pretty cool because it's updated that way.
So that is rare to have all electric?
Yeah, it's usually gas and electric.
Gotcha. What year was this built?
98.
So they did tile even in the rooms, like the whole place, right?
I know, yeah.
The high ceilings are super cool. This is for shorter people. Looks like, right? Holy cow. Look at this little door. And they got a little sink. So this is the bedroom down here, it looks like. Yeah, this is on 4.5 acres?
4.5 acres, listed at 800. It actually was 760, and I think they got a bunch of offers over.
Okay.
So increasing in price.
So is this a county island or is this part of the city?
So it's Temecula, but it's under Riverside County jurisdiction.
So all this, Victoria, is part of the property?
Yeah.
So that was our walkthrough in Temecula, 4.5 acres. I believe it's around 1,400 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2 bath. It's a little different than you guys have seen in the past. It's really a destination place, so we would keep it, and we're on to the next one. So this is our second tour of the day in Temecula, California. So come on in and let's check it out together.
Also, 3 bed, 2 bath.
Okay.
1412 square feet, so it's slightly smaller. It's nice because there's no HOA, and it's in a really good area. So this is Vail Ranch, which Vail Ranch is like award-winning schools, neighborhoods, golf courses. Really, really good location. No neighbors behind. So this is built in 97. Yeah, I thought they did a good job.
I like this cabinet.
Yeah,
That color?
It's great.
Yeah. Ooh, look at the record collection. Dang.
What's nice about this too, so they redid everything, the current owners.
Does the back road scare you at all, or you're fine with that? Then they got the little, is that a fire?
Which, yeah, it's kind of nice because you can have this outdoor dining. You can
Yeah.
have a jacuzzi, and then that's just kind of like a chill spot.
Right back there?
Yeah.
Might make that for like cornhole or like, what is this one asking?
$769.
Okay. So what would you get per night here, Victoria?
I would say, I mean, on the weekends, probably like 600.
And
on the weekdays, like 350.
Okay. The great thing, you wouldn't really have to do anything on this one. Are these marble or quartz, Victoria?
It's quartz throughout.
Quartz?
Yeah.
Newer windows too, it looks like in here.
Yeah, they replaced almost everything.
So that was house number 2 in sunny California. The breeze is coming down, it's beautiful. This home was completely renovated, so we would come in and do nothing. As you guys know, the market slowed a little bit. This one is going for 750-ish. Great schools, great area. So let me know what you guys think on house number 2, and we're going to check out the next one. So this is our third and final house of the day out in Temecula, California. I'd love to hear what you guys think of it. Check it out, tell me what you think. 16-inch ceramic tile, dated fireplace. I was telling Isaac, this may be the ugly one of the day. I don't know if you could knock that wall out or something and open this up. Both of these somehow, because this is like...
But this one, so this is 650. It's 3 bed, 2 bath, 43 square feet. So in a good size loft.
This floor just feels like it's a very cheap. Like comparing this to the 750 I would take all day. I mean, it's got a big size ton of backyard there. Because 30 inside probably, right? 25 maybe to spruce this up, and they got the whole backyard too. I knew walking in, it just, yeah, it didn't, like, you could tell.